everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy Dollar Tree DIYs. Starting with my first project, I will be using some of these Dollar Tree bamboo cutting boards. Now I only found 5 for this project. I will be using 4. To paint the cutting boards, I will be using the Waverly chalk paint in the color ink. I did add a little bit of water since this was too thick and it was too dark. I didn't want it to be that dark. Even after adding water, it was still too dark, so I did use a napkin to remove some of the paint. I will be painting the rest of the cutting boards using the same technique. The next thing I will be using is this Dollar Tree wall decal. Now this decal has 4 images and I will be adding an image to each bamboo cutting board. To hang these up, I will be adding sawtooth hooks to the backs, and that is it, guys. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree sign. Now, I got this during fall, but Dollar Tree always carries signs like this that you can use. I did try to remove the paper, but I wasn't able to, so I'm just using the back, and I'm going to paint it black using the same chalk paint. For this project, I'm using this other Dollar Tree wall decal. Now, instead of making like 4 different ones, I'm going to add mostly all the images into this one. I'm kind of doing it like the book or paper crafting one, or I don't know what's it called, but I'm doing something similar to that. I'm going to just add them here and there until I like how they look. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know which one was your favorite because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.